good morning. This is Jaime at Future Home Loans.
And Jesse at Future Home Loans.
Did you know that we are actually veteran owned and operated?
Yes, we are.
We are. I'm a military spouse myself. My husband did 24 years in the Air Force. And what about our company, Jesse?
We have an amazing company ran by an amazing group of people that all proudly served our country.
Absolutely. So we are veteran owned and operated. So we know a little bit about VA loans, right? That's a little bit of my niche of what I do. Jesse knows about VA loans as well. It's our favorite loan program that we offer at Future Home Loans. It's not the only one, but it's one of our favorites.
Definitely one of our favorites and one of the best options for our veterans.
It is. So what are we going to talk about today?
So today on our podcast, we're going to talk about VA myths and some of the common ones.
Mm-hmm. So myth number one is, are VA loans only for first-time home buyers?
This is not true. VA loans are available to any eligible veteran or active duty service member who meets the requirements, regardless of whether they have previously owned a home or not.
Correct. We need to make sure that the veteran or the active duty service member qualifies for a VA loan. And the first step I know for myself is that I pull a certificate of eligibility through the VA to make sure that they are eligible and are entitled to a VA loan.
That is correct, and sometimes some lenders out there might mess that up because that's our step number one. Make sure we have that certificate of eligibility.
Correct. I've actually just heard of recently, we had a service member veteran, take that back, he was a veteran, and they went through the whole process with the VA loan, ordered the appraisal VA, and come to find out he was not eligible for a VA loan at that point. And so you really do a disservice to the veteran when you put them through that and they don't even qualify. So just keep in mind, certificate of eligibility, which we can actually get from the VA, or the service member or veteran can also apply for it themselves on their website.
We literally get it back within minutes. Once you give us all the paperwork that we need, we get it, we go obtain that certificate of eligibility within minutes. Some other lenders might take days,
Right.
but we're specialized
Yeah.
in VA loans.
Absolutely. So myth number two is that the VA loan takes longer than other loan programs.
This is not true. And here at Future Home Loans, we do a huge percentage, probably like 7% of our loans are VA loans, and our average clear to close is about 13 days.
Yes, that's amazing for a VA loan. We can actually move pretty quickly on them. I've closed as early as 8 days because that's just the trade guidelines that we've had to wait for when I've actually had gotten this loan, VA loan from another lender. So,
Myth number three.
yeah.
VA loans have a high interest rate.
Totally not true. VA has the best rate out of all loan programs, in my opinion. The rates are pretty low compared to a conventional loan, which the rates tend to be a little bit higher. VA, hands down, best interest rates that I've seen out in the market.
Yeah, on the average, I see VA loans are about at least a half a point lower than a conventional loan.
True. Yeah.
And no mortgage insurance whatsoever, 100%
Correct.
financing.
Yes, that's the best part about it. There is no PMI on a VA loan. So when people compare conventional to VA, we really break it down to show our clients that which loan program is better suited for them when they're choosing between a VA and a conventional, which does happen more often than we think.
Yep. So myth number four, VA loans require a perfect credit score.
Totally not true. We can go as low as 500 on a VA loan. 500. Pretty low. Now, will the interest rate be low? Probably not. It will probably cost some points to do, but the VA, believe it or not, does not have a credit score requirement. It's actually the lenders who have an overlay for a credit score requirement. But as with Future Home Loans, the good thing is we are a broker, so we get to shop it around with different lenders.
This is 100% true.
Yeah, absolutely. So I know we have another myth. What's our other myth?
VA types of homes that they can only be used to buy a single family unit, which is completely not true.
What kind of homes can they purchase?
Well, they can buy manufactured homes. I can't believe I just said it, but yes, manufactured homes.
Single and double.
Single and doubles. condos, and even multi-unit duplex and quadplex.
Right. Now, keep in mind on the condos, they do have to be VA condo approved, which on the VA's website, you can actually take a look to see if they're on that list for the condos. If they are not, we can actually submit to the VA to get that condo approved as long as we have all the documents that we need. It typically will take 30 days or more to do, but that is something that we could take a look at as well.
Single unit approval can be done.
Can be done. And townhomes. We can do VA loans on townhomes as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other questions we have about VA?
In conclusion, VA loan is a great option for eligible veterans and active duty service members who are looking to purchase your home. If you wonder if you're qualified, please give one of us a call. Jamie or I would love to see if we can get your certificate of eligibility and see what kind of entitlement you have. It's just as easy as calling one of these numbers below.
Yes. Well, thank you so much. If you have any questions about the VA loans, Jesse and I can help.
Thank
Have
you.
a good one. Bye.